Hi guys, welcome to rule number 3. Rule number 3 is learn with your ears, not with your eyes. So, what is learn with your ears, not with your eyes? That means you study by learning, by listening and listening. Don't use your eyes to look at the board and write down. Look at the board and write down is not good. So the first step to master English is listening. So I hope that you will study by your, by your ears, not by your eyes. So why we should study by our ears? Because remember, in the past time when we were a child, we study Vietnamese by listen. 3 years, we just listen and listen. We can't talk. When we listen enough, we can talk easily. And study English like that. When you study the English, you like a child, and the first you're listening to help you understand faster, and listening can help you get more information. Listening is a magic key to help you master English. So you can think about when you study in school, you just look at the board and write down everything on the board. But when you come back home, nothing in your mind. You remember nothing. And when you have a test, you can do the test very good. You can get more grammar. You can have many grammar and do grammar very good. But when you meet foreigner, maybe it's American or Canada or Singapore people, you can't speak with them. You can't speak to them about anything, and you're scared when you meet them. And some people, when they meet foreigner, they very scared. They don't want to come to them and introduce about Vietnam or introduce about culture of Vietnam for foreigner. And if you don't have English, you can't introduce about Vietnam for foreigner, and nothing happens. So you should listening to master English, because listening is input. Input, and so speaking is output. If you input enough, you can speak out loud, and it's output natural. And how can you study with your ears, not with your eyes? You can study with your ears by listening easily topic or easily story, like audio for teenage American, like legend, or something some topic you like it. But have rule when you listen anything is you must understand 95% or more than. Because if you understand 55% or more than the topic or the legend, you can repeat and you can retell the story for someone, when you retell story, you can learn the structure, you can learn grammar, and you can talk very exactly. So you should study by listening, and you can try it. You know that you should study passive from 600 to 800 hours when before you can master, you can speaking English. So thank you for listening. Goodbye.